Somnath Temple, a sacred jewel of India's heritage. The Somnath Temple, located in the town of Prabhas Patan near Verawal in the Saurashtra region of Gujarat, India, is one of the most revered and historically significant temples in the country. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, it is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, which are sacred shrines believed to be the most powerful manifestations of Shiva. The Somnath Temple is not only a symbol of spiritual significance but also a testament to India's resilience and architectural brilliance. This article explores the temple's rich history, architectural grandeur, religious importance, and cultural impact. Historical significance. The Somnath Temple's history is a story of repeated destruction and reconstruction, mirroring the turbulent history of India. Mythological origins. According to Hindu mythology, the Somnath Temple was originally built by Soma, the moon god, in gold as an offering to Lord Shiva. The legend says that Soma was cursed by his father-in-law, Daksha, to lose his luster. To regain his brightness, Soma worshipped Lord Shiva at this site and was eventually freed from the curse. In gratitude, Soma constructed a golden temple. The temple is said to have been rebuilt in silver by Ravana, in wood by Lord Krishna, and in stone by the Pandavas. Ancient and medieval period historical records suggest that the first temple at the site was constructed in around 4th century AD by the Yadava kings of Vallabhi. The temple soon became a prominent pilgrimage site, drawing devotees from all over the subcontinent. However, the temple's wealth attracted numerous invaders. The first major attack occurred in 1026 AD when Mahmud of Ghazni plundered the temple, looting its treasures and destroying the shrine. Despite this, the temple was rebuilt by Hindu kings. It was destroyed and rebuilt several times over the next few centuries by various rulers, including the Delhi Sultanate, who saw the temple as a symbol of Hindu resistance. Modern reconstruction. The current structure of the Somnath Temple was reconstructed in 1951, shortly after India gained independence. This effort was led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India's first Deputy Prime Minister, and was completed under the supervision of K. M. Munshi, a prominent Indian statesman and freedom fighter. The reconstruction symbolized not just the revival of the temple but also the resilience of India's cultural and religious identity. Architectural grandeur. The present-day Somnath Temple is an architectural marvel, built in the Chalukya style, which is known for its intricate carvings, towering spires, and robust design. Exterior design. The temple's exterior is adorned with elaborate carvings that depict scenes from Hindu mythology, floral patterns, and intricate geometric designs. The temple stands majestically on the shores of the Arabian Sea, with its Shikhara, main spire, rising to a height of 50 meters. The temple's Kalash, pinnacle, weighs about 10 tons and is plated with gold, adding to its grandeur. Interior sanctum. The Garbhagriha, or Sanctum Sanctorum, houses the Jyotirlinga, which is the central object of worship. The sanctum is designed in a way that during equinoxes, the first rays of the sun illuminate the Jyotirlinga, symbolizing the divine light of Shiva. The temple's interiors are relatively simple, focusing attention on the sanctum and the deity rather than ornate decorations. Religious significance. The Somnath Temple is considered the first among the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines, making it one of the most sacred pilgrimage sites for Hindus. According to the Shiva Purana, visiting all 12 Jyotirlingas is believed to grant moksha, liberation, from the cycle of birth and death. The temple is particularly significant during Mahashivratri, a festival dedicated to Lord Shiva, when thousands of devotees flock to Somnath to offer their prayers and seek blessings. Cultural impact. The Somnath Temple has had a profound impact on India's cultural and religious landscape. It has been a symbol of spiritual resilience, surviving through centuries of invasions and destruction. The temple has inspired countless poets, saints, and devotees, becoming a beacon of faith and devotion. Moreover, the temple has played a vital role in the region's socio-economic development. It attracts millions of pilgrims and tourists annually, contributing to the local economy and preserving the region's cultural heritage. The temple complex and nearby attractions. The Somnath Temple complex includes several other attractions that are of interest to pilgrims and tourists alike. Somnath Museum. The Prabhas Patan Museum, located near the temple, houses artifacts and relics related to the temple's history, including sculptures, inscriptions, and coins. The museum offers a glimpse into the temple's rich past and the various cultures that have influenced it over the centuries. Bhalka Tirth is another significant site near the Somnath temple. It is believed to be the place where Lord Krishna was mistakenly shot by a hunter named Zara. A temple dedicated to Krishna marks the spot, and it is a popular pilgrimage site for devotees. Triveni Sangam. The Triveni Sangam is the confluence of three rivers, the Hiran, the Kapila, and the mythical Saraswati. This spot is considered sacred, and pilgrims often take a dip in the waters before proceeding to the temple. The Somnath temple stands as a timeless symbol of India's cultural and spiritual heritage. Its history of destruction and reconstruction reflects the resilience and unwavering faith of the Indian people. Today, the temple is not just a place of worship but a monument that embodies the rich tapestry of India's history, architecture, and religious traditions. For devotees and tourists alike, a visit to the Somnath temple is a journey into the heart of India's enduring spirit and a testament to the country's remarkable ability to preserve and celebrate its ancient traditions.